Hi, I'm Noush from Arabella Rose Hair Salon, and this is our beautiful client Rachel.
Hello.
And we are going to talk about how to look after your hair extensions. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is avoiding tangles. It is probably one of the most important things you can do with hair extensions. What you must do, and I'm just going to turn Rachel around, is you go all the way up to the scalp and you literally run your fingers through and make sure every single extension is separated. If you keep on top of this and do it for 5 minutes every single day, it will never tangle and it will never become a problem. If you don't do this, they will start to mat with hair that sheds from the top. The second thing I'm going to talk about is how to shampoo and condition your hair. So make sure you always tilt your hair back and you work backwards with the shampoo kind of lathering in between. You don't want to be getting in there and scrunching because obviously you have got something attached at the root, and then also making sure that you rinse them thoroughly. When it comes to conditioning your hair, do it from the mid-lengths to the ends, so you don't want to get them anywhere near the bonds.
What sort of products would you recommend for someone that wears hair extensions when you're kind of washing and conditioning your hair? Would you say kind of you can use natural products or any kind of shampoo?
So all we recommend you do is use an organic shampoo or conditioner, something that hasn't got any silicone or sulfates in. It's always great to put a bit of a treatment in, especially if you use heat and styling tools or you've been away on holiday, and it just gives it that boost of moisture. So the next tip I'm going to give is how to brush your hair extensions. Always try and brush the hair when it's dry, because when the hair is wet it's at its most fragile. Make sure you always support the hair by holding it and brushing from the bottom up. Use a soft bristle brush and then move along from the bottom.
So why would you say it's important to hold the hair as you're going up the extensions, brushing it?
It's basically to avoid any tension or strain at the root area, and it just gives it some extra support. So our final tip is how to care for your extensions whilst on holiday. If you are going to be entering the pool or the sea, make sure you wet your hair with clean water and then apply a coconut or argan oil.
And why is it important to use a coconut oil or argan oil?
It just gives your hair some extra protection from the chlorine and the sea salts. I also recommend putting the hair in a nice, easily manageable style, like a side plait. It's quick, easy, and it stops tangles.
I know, once I was on holiday and I went in the sea and got it drenched, and then I went to bed and just slept in it. So the sea salt and everything was in my extensions and they were ruined. Oh, no. So I would back that tip. We hope you guys enjoyed our video, and if you've got any questions, just drop them in the box below. Bye!